I'm going to walk through some of the features that are available through the Bluetooth phone system in the new Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm in a 2019. Pretty much all the 2019 models are going to work the same way, though there's small differences in the touchscreen in the base model, the S. But I got my phone. I have my iPhone. I got that paired in a previous video, and so I'm now at the phone menu, which you can access by touching this button here. Now on the bottom you can dial a number right there. You can browse through all of your contacts, all on the touch screen, and you can see your entire call history. Now of course you have voice commands with the voice command button on the steering wheel, and they do work very well if you press it. One thing I love about it is it gives you cheat sheets. You can choose telephone, and it gives you a cheat as far as what available voice commands you have. Now, when you have a lot of contacts especially, chances are high that you might have somebody that'll have a conflict. I have 13 Chris's, Christophers, etc. in my contacts, so I cannot call anybody named Chris effectively with the voice commands. So if you do have somebody you call frequently, usually we'll have 500 people in our phone and 5 people we'll call all the time. Volkswagen has it set up. You can store up to 6 speed dials, or what they call favorites. I'm going to store my wife. I'm going to hit search. Beautiful Laura. And so now one touch and I'm calling, so I don't have to worry about whether or not the voice commands will work with background noise or anything like that. When you call, it pops up here. I can really easily hang up. And that's a general overview of how to use your phone with the Bluetooth on the new Tiguan.